I fell into my addiction, deep into my addiction in 2010. For the next 3 years, I probably used meth every day. It came to a point where I looked in the mirror. I was so disappointed in myself, so ashamed of myself. Like, how did I get here? When I paroled that last time, like I said earlier, I went to my probation officer and I asked for help. I wanted to be a part of a program. I wanted to do something where, I don't want to come back to jail. And I had that brochure in my back pocket, the DRC Center. And I showed it to my probation officer, and that's how I got involved with DRC. And you know what, guys? That's the best decision I ever made in my life. When I got there, I met Antonio. Once Antonio shared his story with me, he gave me hope. And I said, you know what? Antonio can do this. I can do this. We as peers, we bring something special to the table because we really do know what it's like to get out of prison, to be an addict, to be homeless, to feel myself unworthy at one time. Today, my mom's eyes, there's no more broken heart there. One day she was sitting in the back in a rocking chair and she was laughing like, wow, are you okay? And she's by herself laughing. And she's like, I'm just happy that I don't have to worry about you no more. And that part right there, that part keeps me sober. I am blessed to be an alumni from the DRC in Indio, but not only that, I also work there now as a peer support specialist. Everything that I learned at DRC, peer employment training, I get to share it with you guys. And that's what the DRC is for. I tell the people I support, if you're going through anything, if you're any kind of way, call me. Every day we have to practice self-care, but it's like an illness and we got to keep taking our medication. I'm not going to say that I'm cured, that it's gone away, because it's not. It's in the back of my mind, getting stronger and stronger, waiting for me to mess up so I could jump back in my body and take over. But I'm not going to let it. Today I have my recovery tools, my coping skills, and when I feel a certain kind of way, I use it on myself if I have to. But they're not only there for me, they're there for you guys. So don't be afraid to ask for help.